Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, the JUTC is short of buses. They need at least 400 buses to roll out a day for the service to be efficient, and they only have about 200. So it was announced recently that the government is going to be spending $2.6 billion to buy new buses. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. The government of Jamaica will be investing more than 2.63 billion to purchase buses to boost the Jamaica Urban Transit Company's fleet. As contained in the 2024-25 estimates of expenditure tabled recently in the House of Representatives, a total of 100 compressed natural gas fuel buses will be acquired. The procurement process commenced in December 2023 with the placement of an order for the units. They will add to the 50 new buses that arrived in the island in August 2023, boosting the JUTC's rollout capacity to 315. A pilot project is also being undertaken to assess the financial and operational feasibility of incorporating electric buses into the JUTC fleet on a wider scale. The JUTC falls under the Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport. That's the end of the update article. So they'll have 315 buses when these buses arrive. Now they had announced that 100 buses were coming before the start of the next school year. So I'm not sure. Well, these must be that 100 because they said the fleet would be 315. So if it was an additional 100 in addition to what was put out before, it would have been 415. But they're spending 2.63 billion on 100 buses. That means one bus costs 200 million. Oh yes. Sorry guys, not 200 million, but each bus would cost 26 million. 26 million per bus. 10 would be 260 million. Yeah, so it's 26 million each. So that sounds about reasonable for one of these buses. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated on the arrival of the buses, and once they put out our press release, we'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.